In this video, we will be demonstrating how to install baseboards. Measure area baseboard will be installed in. Cut baseboard to desired length, making a 45-degree cut on the end that lands in the corner. Install baseboard to the wall. It is a good idea to hit studs when securing base. This can be done by using a stud finder or laying your tape line out along the wall. Studs will usually be on a 16-inch center. Measure the length of your next wall. Cut baseboard to desired length, making a 45-degree cut in the opposite direction of your first cut. Slide base into the corner. Make sure that the joints line up correctly. Secure base to wall. Once base is secured, run a thin bead of caulk at the top of the base.